yabona besikhuluma ngopastor Enigma akuyanyana yabona abazabantu abaningi bathi plus ngiyasaza yabona isitulo ngifaka ustulo sikhulu ayisashisa lesitulo lesikenyiwe
ilapho kushoka
yabona I don't care ukuthi ubani uthini South Africa. I mean I totally agree. Yeah, no, Pastor Enigma, you understand? Anginandaba ukuthi uthina na mina the way yabona narrative yakhe you understand the way appreciate ngakhona izwi kaNkulunkulu. Mina ngiyam understand no abanye bacabanga ukuthi uyahlakanya abacabanga ukuthi njani mina ngiyam understand mina yabona. You understand ukuthi masingama artists kanje yabona. Abanye bayathakatha yabona. Abanye ba sacrifice abanye benzana yabona to gain power nani yabona official don't condemn yabona umuntu usuka yazi denza because umuntu uthakatha uyakwazi ukubona mazoba grand life in and then bese distract inabantu abanelelo talent le loku distractor yabona loku distract until uze uluze interest into kuma dreams wakho nezinye izinto ukuthi uzozenza bakudistract bakudelay. And the only person ozohlala nawo futhi uNkulunkulu uzibona uNkulunkulu simpitray kangaka almost every day mara uyasixolela.
Bobo, I want you to answer me very now big up. Yabona manje big up. Yes bra bra you know ungapsa change. Efonini ngiyakuthola manje. Yes bra now you are a human man.
Akana peace asisande akana peace.
No but bra. Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Otherwise, on camera and sound, I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Ganda. Is one testimony at the time and one story at the time. James, what time is it?
It's got time.
It's got time. What's strong behind the scene now? Yeah, man, just minute. Yeah.
I mean it.
It's what? Oh, siyabule. Then I move right along to my man Kanda. Itata litsini ixesha.
Hayi. Noma ngithi ixesha likaThixo. Sizoshinyekela lamhla.
Yeah. It's testimony time. I told you God is at work.
Hayi, ngomusa benkosi.
Siyabulela mntakwethu siyabulela. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, press the notification bell. Also join the membership. Please guys, don't skip the ads. Just let it play because that's where we get paid. So please don't skip the ads. Also, if you want to donate for the lawyer's fee, James just made it easy. Just see the details on the screen. Then you go there and you donate. Please, your 50 rand, 20 rand, 100 rand means a lot to us. And we really appreciate those who are doing it, who are sharing our details and doing everything. Guys, thank you so much. We highly appreciate it. Is Road James to 200,000 subscribers now, right? Yeah, we're doing good. Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing audience.
Yeah, we got an amazing audience. That's amazing, man. It's God's time. My brother.
Praise one.
Yeah, I told everyone got a story to tell and the testimony kinda to tell, you know. So my guy here is like, hey Chris, I got a story to tell, man. My brother, welcome to the show, man. How's it?
No, mfethu mina I am fethu ngikrend the one. Yeah, since vele kuyi Sunday most abantu bayakhonza bona abantu nabantu bayakhonza uNkulunkulu wabo ngendlela different yabona. First of all ngizothanda nje ukubonga nje at least umuntu uvuke uNkulunkulu asamkhumbulile, you understand?
Amen.
And I totally understand ukuthi why asangcine kushithi vele sasine purpose ngame yabona. Yabona hence na all job yabona besikhuluma ngopastor Enigma. Akuyanyana yabona. Abazabantu abaningi bathi plus ngiyasaza yabona isitulo ngifaka ustulo sikhulu ayisashisa lesitulo lesikenyiwe
ilapho kushoka.
I don't care ukuthi ubani uthini South Africa. I mean I totally agree. Yeah, no, Pastor Enigma, you understand? Anginandaba ukuthi uthina na mina the way yabona narrative yakhe you understand the way appreciate ngakhona izwi kaNkulunkulu. Mina ngiyam understand no abanye bacabanga ukuthi uyahlakanya abacabanga ukuthi njani mina ngiyam understand mina yabona. Yeah, ngiyamanatela ukuthi enhleki ama messages wakhe ngiyawathola because mina I think yabona if awukho spiritual ubheke izinto ngelihlo lenyama ngeke understand pastor Enigma.
So you just need to be spiritual.
Yeah, you just need to be spiritual yabona because you understand my brother. I think lento le ngihlale ngilentuza yabona ngishubela every time ukuthi yabona thina masingama artists yabona we are more spiritual beings.
What you mean?
Yeah, because yazinto yenza I mean I don't think ukuthi i-attitude especially as performing arts yabona sometimes not easy to pull it out yabona kuyishaya lento lenibenziwe if I'll connect somewhere spiritually, you understand, because just before ngithola yona i-role ngizongena ku-acting especially ngaqala ngiyizo which was a very big series, you understand, which was internationally acclaimed, you understand. I had dreams before, you understand, and yet mayizeka bangilenda la role yani I think ngoba ngazathi i-deja vu.
What was the dream, bro?
Yeah, because I remember going back to 2000. I think I remember na 9 years old. You understand? Yeah. From then I knew man uNkulunkulu I think is talking to me because those are miracles. Out of so many miracles I experienced in my life now. That's when I realized I could come and uNkulunkulu call and there were messages what I was sender. You understand? Through dream state. You understand? Because I remember ngizoba na 9 years old, ne? La ngakhona ngicabanga 1989. Ngizoyenza 9 years old.
Yeah.
Ngizoyenza 9. Ngiyi-19 around ngaboma 9 or 10 ish ekuseni. You understand? Same day ngiyavuka.
Man, God is God of time, man.
Because mina sometimes yabona abantu abaningi bona ukuthi amadlozi amademoni. No, amademoni because uNkulunkulu sometimes angeke asiveze ngokwesiqu sakhe, understand. uNkulunkulu uza kuwe through omunye umuntu, yabona oyisiqu sakho so that ungabe shocked, understand. Cabanga sokuza umuntu uNkulunkulu nomsila or uNkulunkulu usabupopa enyane like yabona sometimes ngaba yabona kuthi seseziningi thina as human beings singakabi ready for ukuthi sisibone, understand. But sometimes when I think uNkulunkulu uyeza through in the form of a person via amadlozi wami via umkhulu wami nani, understand. Because I remember that day mangizoyenza 9 years old ngiphupha umkhulu wami ungipha i-coin yelizwana ye-5 and leso sikhathi isi-5 bengabi khona, but la ngaphandle ke angitshazi ukuthi kuba neyilwane basibiza ngani manje coins
the big 5 lezi ku big 5.
Yeah, especially kuma coins one ngithi ngaphezulu ngijazi nekop
isela nekop
but la ukop buvele ingulube and lokho kade i-5 coin mengabi khona ngiphupha lo mkhulu lo ungipha lo coin leyo in a dream state, yabona and angimazi lo mkhulu lo uthi kimbamba kanje mfana wami, yabona lo mali leyo ibambe kanjalo uzokuphilisa mayiqeda uyavaya, you understand. Ekseni mangivuka ngivuke ngiyabekela endlini kumnandi sharp grand plus idladle bengi-first born and ngenza ingadi and stuff, yabona manje uchicha udoti, yabona while on the road uchicha udoti ngikhubeke ngiyiwe nebhakethi, yabona trip and fall over, yabona mathi ngiyavula la i-aim yami uqoqa wonke ludodi ngubusele back to ebhaketheni. Imagine kwenzakalani mangizoqoqa udodi kuvuka i-R5 lokhathi i-R5 buseseyephepha, yabona mangivule le-R5 kunama-2 ngaphakathi. You understand? And each and every time, I don't know, because every time when I tell people this story, now you feel that but you know it happened. You understand? I don't know anything.
So it's exactly the days Enigma ukuthi abantu bathi I show you is like a dream.
You see now. I was got the top 9 rand, you know? Got the top 9 rand ngabona enekuseni. Ngiyi-19, sika March, 1989. We are telling you to somehow into the theory or something, yabona. And then when I went back eCharting, yabona ngitshela ugogo wami ugogo mphupho omkhulu so yabona this height unempandla bakaphethe ipinga zathi emasimini nonginikeza icoin so i-R5, yabona abanye bahleka because they didn't understand, but thima ngixolela ugogo wami ewuchithe kama-piring bra ochiche wafainta, yabona. Second yabona yabona mama explainela ngalo mkhulu engumphupile only to find out ukuthi kanti umkhulu ithamo lami and bengakazi before, yabona ngabona one day kune family gathering eDlamini mangithi ta elizwane efridge no lo muntu engamphupha mos, but on the day mangixoxela ugogo wami he was shocked
Because you described this person.
Yeah, but I'm describing the way ngakhona. And ngathi ngibone fridge the day
family, yeah.
Yes, it's allowed, you understand? Ukuyedla because kukwami kade aphuma from his stage yabona. So they didn't get along no madala wami. Uyathola wona. Just ayahlanya lo wena ufuna ungenza extra girlfriend ongihlanyela. Yabona. So nje besinganayo lo access le yabona until later stage yabona. Ngambona lo muntu lo, you understand? So abanye abantu sometimes abona ukuthi uma into ezinjalo umuntu abona ngazathi uyadlala. And speed forward wavela futhi omkhulu lo. Boma 1999 masuyoshuta izo nabo sticks. Yabona kuthi nge final day la bengibeza ngakhona, you understand? La wavela khona futhi omkhulu lo. Azokunika ngathi there's a huge crowd. Unikeza uyabona ungipresenta ngecertificate esibhalwe ngobugold. I said ngiyabona i-crowd lapho iyangijabulele, you understand? On the day ngathi la ngiyabuya endaweni zami u-Sticks no-Chester bababizile kuyizo mina bangibizanga. So ngiyabona kuyo yonke into ebenyenza be-inspire leya drive. And ngo-1999 ukhumbule ngingana-19 futhi lo mkhulu uyavela futhi uzongigada very same lento uzana, you understand? So yabona just some few testimonies, you understand? Ukuthi yiyo lento le young driver futhi ukuthi ngiye lapha because ngiyazibuza ukuthi man kulela phupho la kahle lo mphulwana bekazama ukuthini, bekazama ukuthi already so iwinile war and on the day abangibizi cabanga mangama yakhe abo Sticks leso sikhathi ama cell phones were not popular.
Yeah. Khona amafoni emakhaya.
Besizwa ama calls ama landline and if family beni landline la Cabo Chest. So besizwa ama calls. Yeah. If it was things but uhambile umuntu abamthathile you shoot. Hayibo, mawufika Cabo Chest the very same story. Yabona. But yabona le phupho la maloku lithi kube khona lokuthi yabona at some point khona la engaba khona le self esteem izwela yabona lela phupho malibuya futhi ijama le phupho ngathi mina sometimes time ngicabanga ngibona kubuya la amandla abantu and they went athi ngiyafika ngaqina ngathi angicela second chance wathi ngicela second chance angihambi la sawe good insoni role kuyizwe yabona inspired by that dream but if bengekho spiritual or something do you think bengizoyala
Funa ukuchazela abantu mawuchaza this thing yokuthi this thing makuthiwa i-character kabo be spiritual, connect with it. Can you break it down for us ukuthi kwenzakala kanjani? How do you connect with the character? What it takes for you to be that person? Because I think you just transformed. If they say ukuthi be Ganda, you have to transform.
I have to transform. Yeah, because the thing yenzakala kanjani bro when mina ngi-experience so many times. This is why you find out you told ukuthi most yama artists just before bazo perform they find umuntu asole nje khona lakhe yabona umunye uya meditator yabona umunye uyathandaza umunye nje mhlawumbe ukuba se-space nakhe abe quiet, understand? Because you understand ukuthi masingama artists kanje yabona abanye bayathakatha yabo abanye bayasacrifice abanye benzana yabona to gain power nani yabona official don't condemn yabona umuntu usuka yazi into enzayo. It's an individual's choice, you understand? But thina dading sayifunda kakhulu nase-theatre ukuthi just before sizoperforma for the audience, understand? Siyahlangana thina lapho sizoperforma basibe umoya munye yabona and then you pray ngendlela yakhe, understand? Uwe, you understand? Sila umunye uthandaza umveli emncane, umunye Allah, umunye ubani or simply the God of your own understanding, you understand? Because when I believe ukuthi nako ukuthandaza kwenzani kwenza ukuthi create the space ukuthi ngoba manje ngabantu hlangene baningi under one roof, there's different energies, you understand? And there are people who are there emhlabeni to distract abanye abantu bazophumelela, you understand? Because umuntu othakathayo uyakwazi ukubona mazoba grand life in and then bese distract ngabantu abanelelo talent le lokudistracta yabona lokudistracta until uze uluze i-interest into kuma dreams wakho nezinye izinto ubuthi uzozenza bakudistract bakudelay uzofila ngazathi le project ngaqala ngaqala ngoma 2000 lokuyafela uzuluze interest kanti
that's an aim
idimoni lingena umuntu utazokuddistract ngamabomu usuyabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu nosathanda bajive emhlabeni 99 manje bala bajive nathi kuya ngawe noma umuntu na you still have a choice kuya ngawe umuntu ukuthi umchitha kanjani because la usasanamekala uNkulunkulu la.
You just have to choose.
You just have to choose. But if you are going against into a pixel no numbers wakho, should is easy to uwele tripping. Yabona uwele kubandla likaSathane, you understand? Because I think it's greed. You understand? back to the basics, like the 10 Commandments. People are going against the 10 Commandments. So if you're going against those guys, I mean,
in life, you're not gonna go.
You understand? This ungabulali. Yabona, which is izinto abantu abasipractice out these days. You understand? And I couldn't put abantu abanjealous because we are one with whatever we achieve, you want to achieve. Because from Tata in a shortcut. It's either Mutaktarate or a law waiting on a man and lose along. Today. You choose, Baba.
Hey, bro, I love it. At what time, Bobo, where you were like, I feel like I'm dancing with the devil. I'm going against everything, like that God created. Maybe in your career, maybe when, like, I just want to understand those points where we were like, hey, I know what I'm doing is wrong.
I know my
wrong.
Yeah.
And do you have those moments like in your life?
I do have pride. I remember I'm feeling other thing spiritually tested. I'm so attached spiritually.
Yeah, that's a perfect.
When I started doing my tracks, you understand? Because I was finding myself when I was chasing is into like your pornography. Pornography evil. So I'm simply pornography. That's in the time when I was strapped my strip club, and everything. Sometimes when you spaghetti drinks, sometimes they offer you a matrix now because you don't but because you accumulate even in the pipeline. Korera usatane afuna ukulinga khona uNkulunkulu. Uthi uyaqhubeka ufuna ukulinga khona uJesu athi ambonisa
ngizogaya everything.
Uthi yabona le mhlobo uhamba kuyi ngabe yasihluphekiza uhamba ngeenyawo namadonki nani ngayize hawa bheka igolide isiliva yabona ifebe asikisi uthi ifebe mara vele eBhayibhelini lasho ifebe isifebe yabona yabona ifebe ngapha nani kumnandi nje yabona nje Sodom and Gomorrah yabona ziyawa kuyaphuzwa kwezakalana naye ukulobona khona ukuthi nasasa ucawuthatha bengasaba uNkulunkulu wona siyini thina wabakhuluma naye conferences angumconvince ngeconference yabona
ukuthi can live better
ukuthi and more ama situations anjalo ama situations ehlala sibhekene nawo almost every day attempted
and you have to choose right
to be attempted because everything here you understand it's easy to attempted kubhema drugs because I remember there was a time when you an interviewer over a phone about with innocent why were young judge why were them drugs in Taranje why very at the first place of my drugs because are available yes because the easy available
you couldn't resist
even nange look down cabanga bebesiganda bashanga impama ngoba bangaka bashanga impama for ukubhema cigarette abashanga but ematraxini kuhleli kuvulekile baba you see somehow
and drugs bobo they have a spirit man now, it's a spirit that you have to break
and now I want to tell you in the truth bra are evil most of drugs they're very evil bra like all of them but khona lawo manje awes ke like because you find ukuthi yabona especially this one is angisho khona ngcono nabanye kunamanye yabona but khona amanye akwazi demoni manje like your crystal leso abantu ababhema yababhema iCrystal sinobabiza ngephoko abanye sithi babhastile emakhanda because I know about some of their friends some of abantu bengibazi thola umuntu bama 3 months or 6 months ago umuntu baka normal 6 months later man you can tell nange speech esikhuluma asihlangani lo muntu ukhumbula nje wena lesikhathi lesokukhuluma nenkinga zakhe kanti ubheka ifoni yakhe ubhekene ukuthi yonke into ayibhekile yona imali phambi kwakhe you understand yabona ukuthi awusekho right kanjalo mongene endlini sonke somele sifihla amafoni abanye bathenga ichain bakhinga ithi ngechain because bayazi ayimalume wangena or ubhuti wangena yonke into yanyamalala noma ngabe yini kwa cross yabona ukuthi mosizofakelo level ukuthi awusana zwelo so ungena utshontshe igrocer the only grocer you have endlini uyithengisa just to get the next fix of which like Crystal because
spirit behind this
because I think Crystal now my hero and most of them now they are highly addictive and izinto ozobuzenza nawo namahloni ayaphela my brother. You forget ukuthi like what am I doing na uzosola ngelinye ilanga. Ucabanga into ozoyenza manje ukuthi isala ilimaza abantu move don't even care. So this one ngithi ama-drugs now they carry a certain spirit. Well, because once ungena i-drugs in that one line, that one pull, my man, you are never the same. You're never the same. Awusazini ngokufana, awusakathenda ama-family gatherings. Like the only thing is you want, noma ngadlula ama-opportunities amakhulu, don't even care. But but the one thing that matters the most is the next fix. What in kwenzakalani don't even care. So about good spirits, man.
I'm just gonna go back a little bit on the where when it's because now I think we spiritual. So I just wanna talk about as an actor.
Yeah.
How do you prepare to get to someone's character? Is it prayer that important to break in?
Yes. Yeah, sometimes it has no good because as artists, the one sometimes sometimes awutholanga space, ne? So uthi mhlambe ukwazi ukuconnect and connect because this thing comes from the higher power. It's not easy to manage a rocky character just like that. You understand? This is why there are different kinds of actors. There are actors who are there just to say lines, but call it my checks. Wow. You understand? So Tina, some of us, this one comes is spiritual because for the fact that we've touched so many souls. You understand? Which means I believe we are all spiritual beings, and the song is the song is so now there's a people that from you face and now. You understand? There's a reason why it's together. It was written. It's not your plan, it was written. You just
but spiritual is done.
Over the phone. Because when I just don't believe in from Musakula, which has in Manje, if I achieve something, let me just take it out there to the universe. And I might respond. He responds that I'm going to consider as my heaven. And I know what my face will carry me. You understand? And why it in condom we heaven? Because there's nothing I can achieve, inspire umqondo. You get it before you think, and then you implement. And then you execute until
you execute.
Stage so you execute. You understand? So I believe the the ideas I had, I can't win this, understand? Yeah, but souls I've touched, understand? If those souls are touched, could be congregation now. Don't you think what's in our leader? Spiritual leader. I can tell colleagues about so when niggas are 3 months for free. After I forget,
I love it. Do you think the character that they can give you have a part to influence you in real life and you become that character even in a real life? Does that character have power to change you like completely?
No. I didn't change it completely, but somehow, this step and the one especially the character must be there for a very long time. You understand? Must be pillar, you understand? Because you need to character give you more convincing. As in because you're
living it.
When you research somewhere, then there was research. Ngapha amalani mayafunda you internalize amaline. You understand? And manje ukutransform uphuma ecatsheni zakho ungene ecatsheni zomunye umuntu yobaba. There's no child's play, you understand? But if you are spiritual, it's not that hard, you understand? Because you find answers, yabona. Because if you lapho kulela khona lama channels phela most understands lama reasons are different, yabona. Sometimes you channels just to worship ubonga, umunye channels for ama answers awufunayo. And immediately bese uNkulunkulu akuthanda into the act place. Ngoba sometimes bengena ukubona noma joga actually if maybe I'm given mhlambe they say I didn't get that chance, yabona, you connect with the higher power. What would esikhathi ngizoyenza nje ngicela nje the whole set. Mhlambe say ngizoshaya character emotional. Mhlambe nyakhala or something, yabona. Bese yaba ngoba nyawozi nomsulo lo unama distraction, then I'll ask everybody say ngicela nje 3 minutes kube quiet setting. And the ones go quiet, what to do? uyayizwa now this thing ngazathi kwawena mojima
Yeah.
umuntu ojima the joy you feel ngazathi qhamuka la ukho uyizwe into le kuzo ngathi shisa wena uzwe ngathi
The character is
ya character uzwe ngathi uyashisa kancane uyizwe umuntu le character sekimi uqala vele ngithi sharp this one action and moqeda lapho bro uthatha mhlawumbe boma 2 minutes ukuphuma kuyo because but so deep your character yabona and then usiya abantu bashayisana but wow akusukuhlangana phakathi
you have to wear it, man.
yeah.
Can you explain me what do you think about the character of Buxtina?
Yeah, the character of Buxtina, I mean, I think most people they thought Buxtina was a thug. No, Buxtina was naughty, and Buxtina was one person on the spirit of resilience. You understand? And somebody who magafuna into angayitholi ngazikhathi lezo. I just lose it in quiet bese ngithatha ngengane. Yabo? Bese sometimes abantu babona ngathi ngiyajona, no ngijona ngiyarepossess.
How was it meant to play? How was it to play it, man? Because to me, it seems like you were that character. You were that exact character. I couldn't ask another Buxtina, man.
Yeah.
Even if we bongahamba ufika ulandeni actually must actually Buxtina ebengakazalunga because when I saw this is Buxtina, I was convinced this is the only Buxtina.
Yeah, sure.
There is no other one who can come and say I'm Buxtina.
Yeah, because I think that has to do with the experience along the way. You understand? Because I've always been behind the scene your music. You understand? So I understood the music because the promoter pay character Buxtina. One thing a trick ngainya actor ngainya chula. At the same time, you understand? And obviously I was writing my own lyrics and stuff. Yeah,
oh, you were writing?
And somehow I think that character my land. Spiritually, I was ready because I was training. I went to exercise and stuff. Ngihambisa demo while acting. You understand? So that's why I think that character resonates nami. And if ngangikwatile ngoba bebekhatha ukuncisha character kutsotsi. But I almost took that character and I should all bangijoyela lapha.
You were supposed to be utsotsi?
Yeah.
What happened, man?
I'm politics. Politics. So
you went to audition?
Yeah, because I did went to audition because at the time. No one issue the agent there, but that agent there was the agent, and then at the same time, for a year about most filmmakers from outside the country, about consultant. So most of my characters are from one agent. There was so much. I mean, I show politics. I think other than anything, I show politics. Yeah, but ngakwata ngathi okay la ngizoziphindisela mina phela
but how like did you imagine Buxtina as utsotsi on that movie? It's also
not really Buxtina, but I feel ukuthi itsotsi yona on its own the characters were not okufuneka mfethu ama characters wazi ukuthi ayazi impilo sesistrategy nokutsotsi ngiyangithola ufithi udayile beyangashave because vele ukhulele environment enjalo uyayazi dayile
then ngakwata yabona ngathi okay and I futhi ngibekhle out nekwalo ama character ukuthi usinandana yabona sometimes you don't have to hate the player, hate the game.
Yeah. Forgot about the player.
Yeah, and I'll tell you it's also upon the president. I'll tell him president wherever we meet. I'll tell him secretly I was not just a stomach.
Because he also did like a great job, man.
I know he did a great job for it.
Yeah, he also did a great. I see you as like your character being was gonna be also perfect, but he also came in and was like, because it was that James was like that Tsotsi. Give James. Do you have a mic? Yeah. It was that guy or is quiet to Tsotsi bakhe, but he can just like boom and there's two sides. So
one of those guys who you can predict. Like
yes, exactly.
Yeah, because if it was Buxtina, I was like expect you to Venezia. Yeah, would say this is a Tsotsi. Yeah, yeah, so no. So no, man. So the character comes now. Iyahlala go.
Yeah.
Did you went to audition for Paxtina?
Yes, I did. I went, but I remember mangizoku audition yakhona ngarecruitwa insana uThepo yabona uThepo may his soul rest in peace. Ngikho uThepo lo sihlala naye ku.
Oh yeah, ngikusiza
yabona because he came kimi azongixoxela yabona ukuthi hey ndoda kusasa kunama auditions wenzana weCheese yabona. So and I mean I've been sent by agent yami, you understand. So I heard you before with Bokhala ukuthi ufuna ukuba na agent but mina ngithi even though ngana agent I want just go give it a try. Sibone ukuthi ngiyenzakalana yabona. On the same day.
But you see ukuthi into zakho every time we are invited bro, I don't know how to explain it because you remember Kanda he said we yizo. Why nga invitewanga but like
yeah.
Why? So to me, it feels like this person who have a passion and is a hard worker and is stubborn.
You understand? Even a good nasekalawa, angikhumbuli mina like when invite kabla bathi ana ingena gibela la or at most of my fishing fishing ngenkani. For uphula iqolo la nami nezibhayidi ngizenkani but I think nakhona I think namandla kaNkulunkulu asebenza mhlambe kuyo ohlala ngijutha wona ala mara ihlala ngijutha into nezigrand uPrakot. Yeah.
Oh, no, that's amazing. So, Umauya kuma audition lapana. Just tell us a little bit about it. Umauya kuma audition
Echisa,
yes.
When I was traveling with Utepo, yeah, on Jerusalem on auditions, and imagine that time it was a bit hard to get more auditions on an agent. You understand? So I'm long for audition. I'm very I'm number say agent nan. Guess what? A few days later, I got a call from this agent. Innocent, bakuthandile ukushisa usepuyakutshela ukuthi ubeka travel now because I was surprised ukuthi ubani manje lo Innocent because akekho kuma chats wethu akekho kuma books wethu, you understand. So from there mangiya ku agent na the contract nasona manje sebakhisa wangisekushutha nezithombe bakufaka ebodeni.
So under this agent.
Yeah, bakule agent. That's how I joined the agent. When you use ngani manje art connection, yeah.
But man, Cheese, yeah, when I don't know, like Yizo was good, but Cheese.
I Cheese of it, yo. But I wanted the character and a problem I enjoy because being resonate and I want through by acting in the music. But I think most importantly, I think young children are ready because that's one thing for sure. Every day, you put in standards along Kunukul. I want wisdom, the readiness. Because sometimes as an artist, I was to one land manje, and I was no opportunity to run in Ganja. And sometimes it was same the opportunity as a game years on you will kind of good.
Much love,
that I'm hosting. So now I didn't go to auditions. They came knocking at my door. Was end up it's not a contract. We've been looking for you for over 2 months. You understand? But I didn't even have a phone.
Now big up. Yeah, when I'm big up, yes, you know, ungapsa change. A phone in yakuthola manje. Yes, now you are a human, man.
I got a piece.
No, but 100% your behavior and everything, my brother.
Yeah.
Brother, I'm happy when you do this, man, because it's the right thing, man. It makes me happy because I can see even though my EP production that can come will get you.
Yeah, sure.
And will work with you, man.
Now you're
Tolagala.
I want to hear into the Ebonagala, but this is why at some point I decided to easy business in understand? From me in media, there was a time like media corner being exposed, being, and at some point I felt like to reject and everything about this is too much. This is a heavy burden to carry as a person. I want let God. Let me just let go and let God. But when I tell I think Bambilava, I want to deal I want to share. Understand. I'm out. And they come to the Targa. I want. And imagine, I think sometimes we are a pastor, if we are a son doing every day, you understand? But what's the point? You're a son doing, we share about one inking and move. We are solve a part where we feel that you're too touch. But you don't want to make us do a phone touch on a home. You understand? You tell me 5 just simple 5 for things. I have fun, but expect to die. I couldn't show my blessing. but uNkulunkulu nje uhluleke nje uNkulunkulu phela ugama challenges are simple nangumuntu ulambile lo futhi nesiko wona awufuni khipha imali yakho uyasho ngithi yabona uyanya lo mara uyesontweni ufakene impahla you're all clean awufuni ukuthashwa na umuntu ongcolile nana uyona na be touched mara uyofuna but you mind ukuspenda more money uyabona ukuthi uyokusethini congregation yonikela nge10,000 while ushare abantu ikasi lakho benganakudla and you know very well ukuthi umakhelwane mhlawumbe is a child headed family mara uyahluleka ukuthi then uze uchazwa ukuthi thithi ngamanelo ukudla lokho enginakho ngifaka idustbin then ukuthi unikeze umakhelwane wami lambile.
Then after that you go to church.
Yeah, besicabanga ukuthi uyothenga ama blessings nge10,000. Phela abantu banikela ngemali ngapha 10,000, 5,000, 2,000. Mara uhlule ukusolve inkinga ye20 lapho uma khona back home. So I think when ukhonza uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu noma ngabe ukuliphi khona uma ukhuluma noNkulunkulu uyakuzwa. Understand, because imagine if sonke besisontweni ngabe overcrowded amasonto. Overcrowded. If sonke besiya khona. You understand? So angisho ukuthi abantu bangayi emasontweni abantu because we are people who are weak yabona abadinga la mvuselelo lana yabona ukuthi basisurround nabantu mhlambe yabona abazobavuselela in terms of baba encourage babatshela amagama kind, you understand?
Yeah, and it's true, man.
Yabaza bazalwane
this is what Pastor Muta said kanti ukuthi manje ungalokhu ufuna ukhala kwemasontweni wena iba isonto
wena ngokwakho
iba isonto.
So moya esontweni is a choice that was kungabantu khona abayo ofuna ukuthi bakuvuselele yabona because manje you are in a space la uhlangene khona nabantu abacabanga almost all the same njengawe yabona uyavuseleleka, understand abantu ogcina kudala yabona we encouraged yabona umunye khona lapho ugayispani kanjalo yabona because it's very important sometimes ukuthi ube sebantwini but hayi ukuthi kuyinkani i-congregation emenza uzuthatha imali uspend uze ku-congregation iqala kuwe lento.
Tell me your lowest moment, man, where you were praying so much, where you were like, hey, God, please help me. Just those lowest moments that you were at, like, hey, this I need God. Do you mind to share those moments where you were down, like?
Yeah, the way moments like that. I remember among former with the was rent, bro. There were times which man compare a lifestyle when you peel while staying there. Mangzobela ekasi, bro. There were times that too. For almost a week I'll be cocooned in my own space and sulking. Why mina ngijikela sona and everything yabona. Sometimes I tell me for more than 3 months bengisaba mfethu ukuphuma ngiye e-store or sometimes mangiphuma e-store I will dress up. I said just nginakhona ngizela ukujustify lempilo lebengiphila, understand? And manje I think benga affect mina kuphela affect na family yami ukuthi yabona ubutweni bayasha ukwenzana nani you understand asashaya mina kuphela masishaya ne-family yami nani you understand? And manje phela ngubhakistina phela abantu abasikhake ngicazula isijekile scale, you understand manje ukuthi
and there's nothing you can do now.
And ngapha manje abantu bangithatha njenge role model ngisakwazi ukuphila impilo yami angizange ngithi role mina ngi-artist ngi-role model ngoba ngiphuza ibheke wrong ngibhembe cigarette wrong ngithuka umuntu angijwayela ngi-wrong I'm not a role model bafethu ngiyekele ngicela i-break lo part le hayi ngiyekele ngibe artist let me be me ngizange choose ube role model mina unzima ube role model angifuni hayi lo role model kumele manje ube perfectionist.
Do you think there's so much pressure, man?
This why I don't want to be a role model. Whoever is listening, I'm not a role model, I'm an artist. If I'm a role model, oppose people are so wrong. Good man, maybe
I get it, man. I get it, bro. Because, yeah. A lot of people think like you're living in another world.
You understand? One thing wrong.
You can't make a simple mistake.
Yeah.
That a human being can.
We understand. When publicly, phuza publicly, ushara publicly. Mina ngishela kuphi kanti? Mina ngiphuze kuphi kanti emkhodini? Where? Mina ngiphile kuphi kanti? You see?
Good question, Kan.
Yeah.
What is it?
Ngathi yabaleka le. Ngifuna ukuyisela emuva kancane.
Yeah, sure.
You mentioned ukuthi being an artist the spiritual. Lapho ngiyavumelana na ukuthi
yeah.
I-art spiritual. And then So ngifuna ukubuza, I think uChris ubuzile mara akakuzanga ngale ndlela efuna ukubuza ngayo.
Yeah, sure.
Do you think ukuthi ukungena kwakho ema-drugs does it have to do noku
The character. Oh yeah, God. The character that
calling yakho?
Yes, has been mentioned before ukuthi uSathane ukwaconvince uJesus Christ eBhayibhelini ambona uthembise lokhu nalokho ukuthi nami I think bengilo first there whereby uNkulunkulu uSathane bekangitesta.
Okay.
Now I fell on the trap, you understand?
Okay.
so
Yeah,
okay.
well, I mean, I think we're going to test those questions because I remember Kati during my active days, bro. I've lost so many things, bro. And then I realized, usasande wakuza ngkhona yakuthatha uzokuyuza ubhema ama-trucks wenzeni all sorts of wrong things, understand? And then masudinga i-help futhi ulazi ukulahla khona. And the only person ozohlala nawo futhi uNkulunkulu uzibona uNkulunkulu simpitray kangaka almost every day mara uyasixolela.
Bobo, I want you to answer me very well on this one.
Yeah.
And just be honest. Do you think the character of Buxton had like a bad influence in your real life, like in terms of drugs and?
No. I mean, for me, I think it's a choice that I made.
The character could nothing.
The character has nothing to do. Because even I'm a character, I don't think ngizodlala uBuxton kuphela. Sometimes ngizodlala umfundisi. That wouldn't mean ukuthi ngizobonakala sengipreach mhlawumbe and everything, but it's just the character. Yeah. So I think I think Tina Futa, especially I'm artist, because I mean, it's insane. There's no way to ungenza something and then we need to use more than millions of hearts. Win a millions of soul. Was you about over a million one? You understand? The influencing uthatha apho no muntu where I said onomali. It's not you. So uNkulunkulu suka nawo isikhatheso. I believe so. You understand?
Man, can you count things that you can offer to an industry right now? I already like, what can you, if like there's opportunities out there and they're watching, what, I offer at the moment, like you can say, Chris, this is what I still want to achieve. This is what I still want to do. This is things that you can.
First of all, I feel that Tina, not that I feel very injured because listening. I feel like that we are on the mercy of our producers. Because you remember last time I got from Fundivundla out in your comp and Kulmang situation. You remember the last time I'm artists with generations. They were fighting what was rightfully due to them. But the answer by Tolain, they all fired. And they imagine one person on fire in the pan, Bengaka Abantu Abaship in the way. You understand? Ubanu Seville as artist. Nobody. And the ones who have a vocal, when the head is on the line, once you join a union, so you enemy in the entertainment industry. You understand? So the only thing the changing we born is something what matter about is to protect my artist. You understand?
Do you think there's too much evil in this industry? Do you think there's too much evil in this industry? Yeah, there is. There is, bruh. But so this is why sometimes as a person you must learn how to swim with the sharks. You understand? And then you pay store you understand? But I think there's so many changes that need to be done. Because even I'm a contractor, it's signed out, it's protected anywhere. You understand? They can easily destroy the contract available to so and the store says pay or we will cut off the story was about we are London. I'm talking to Kulma too much about London. Never come back from London. Understand? When we usher in a decent manner, they just write you off. And the one knows to ever write you out. No, this is block. But what happens in the meantime? Fana makaratu kufa story mina ngofuna ngoba ngathi kufa amampela spiritual yazi. Serious? Imagine umuntu ngidubula manje story niphuma out akusukufa kwami lokho. Angisaholi imali and sometimes it takes time ukuthi uthole enye job. Awufanga temporary until uthole enye job.
then uvuke futhi somehow funa bakubulele.
Do you think there is something that you don't have to accept in this?
Yeah, spiritual ukuthi time ngizongena ku coffin. Hey, lezo mina ngisithanda lezo. But what if time une ritual aba practice ngami hayi?
Young impela when you think you act.
Yeah, well, I think you're acting. I was looking, especially when it comes to international films, the symbolism is everywhere. But I feel like man. Now you can tell from the colors, from the symbolism. No, we are born time man. I was such a new child for man. I also say to a lot of man is but yeah, now I understand what happened. Give some favorite song, guy. Come on, you are not there when you take the decision. You were anything from where you are. Yeah,
bro.
Another question.
Yeah.
There is a general question.
Yeah, sure.
As in nalento yami uzoyibiza ngizothi theory.
Yeah.
Nginokuhlala ngibheke nje abantu. Mhlambe amajita sekasa bhema inyawo phe, amanye amahobo. Abanye sithi amahlala. Mina lento leyo ukuthi hayi wonke umuntu esimbonayo ubhemayo ama drugs oruhlanyayo uyazenzisa.
Yeah.
So ufuna ngathi nginalento ukuthi khona into spiritual ekhona. For instance, thingenza umzekelo ngehlala. Nokubona ihlala nje mina.
Yeah.
Yabo umuntu umuntu akhuluma wani. Angibi nalento ukuthi umuntu uyahlala. Ngalento le what if umuntu ukhuluma noNkulunkulu?
Exactly.
You're seeing things that you can't see in the spirit with the spiritual eye.
Therefore sithi uyihlala.
Yes.
Like ngifuna ukubuza wena ukuthi what's your take on that? Especially in situation of drugs, you think everybody open our drugs are they fighting interspiritually or khona lento lebazama ukuyiblocker thina singayiboni spiritual of which asithi for instance khona umuntu thinguze so you think khona umuntu obheka amadazi ngokubona uNkulunkulu or khulukise noNkulunkulu and masimeke sitshela thina asibe understand siyamhleka like for umzekelo. You think wakhona abantu abanjani?
Yazi ukuyiphendula nje easy lo answer yakho na bro ne. Mina I think yabona ezinye izinto I think politically, spiritually they are there ngamabomu just to distract ingqondo zabudaki. You understand? Because simply has mentioned earlier on, you understand? With me I think this whole situation has to do with politics and over spiritual, because our drugs are very evil, understand? And as a nation, I don't think it is ngahluleka dealing with those situation there, you understand? But sometimes asabo khoma kwenza usibe vocal because I don't know that die bra yabona but mawuthi uyebhekisisa kahle thatha this moment go back to COVID-19. If really like South Africa is we have the powers, bra. So and clues are corner around. So if they want to stop anything, because if you want to stop, especially they say Uchwala, more contributes because there are drugs now it's not taking over the counter as drugs. You understand? But Konabulin, because it's cigarette palio more over the counter palio, which this thing would kill you. And then take who's fooling who la. You get a cigarette from the longer travel over the counter. Even those all kalina abo showing impama showing into zamabhuni and impama just to smoke his all because the government bengakabi access to the tax kuya ngithi. So much don't you think it is into the available for purpose?
Yeah,
you understand? Because the only thing to stop it, bangathi manje ngifuna ukuthi enonyo amanzi manje cut the supply ngivala amanzi manje uzokuthi kunjani konye.
Yeah.
If you're spiritual, you get what I'm saying.
Yeah. No.
Definitely slow moya.
Definitely.
Ngifuna uba vocal kakhulu ngoba I'm not a politician, I'm just a concerned law-abiding citizen, not a politician. Aye.
How's it with the show we are going much love with the Kai? How's things, man?
So far so good, my brother. Because I think there's one thing, and I tell you much it in Mangfigu. About that, Bafetu, nina kudala niku-space sama-reality television, you understand? So the only thing I will ask from kini, what first day on stage, the only thing ngizocela kini ma-chance, ukuthi I share ama-ideas. I've never done this before. Guys, I'm a presenter before.
You're just open.
Well, so if there's nothing scripted, lapana, there's nothing is being staged, it's just reality TV. Understand? So much, and the most important thing is to find solutions. Because most of them babalega makaya for different reasons. As in, to do bamkoshile or mhlawumbe uanti ubuyile ekhaya wenendoda nabantwana ekhaya.
I watch it.
There's some kind of thing yabo izinto ezinjalo yabo. So sometimes I want to manje ngikhulumela abantu, sometimes mina ngibe lawyer, sometimes mina ngibe social worker, sometimes I have to counsel people because most of the abantu ngithanda futhi starting is people futhi who are addicted, you understand, about drugs, you understand. So that's why sometimes amanye ama-situations, I think ama-situations ayekelwe ngamabomu to form such people, which I think
you must have this community of people.
Yeah, ukuthi bafuma amazombi because most ama-2000 manje sokamazombi abasafani nathi. Ukuthi ama-drugs ngoba ongekho bakhona kama ngithi there were certain drugs were available but bawangeza abantu so. Abantu bakhona uncle bethu bebebhema but still umuntu emsebenzini aqhubeka futhi ageze aqhubeke njengoba kazenza like before. But manje le generations there more uyabheka kahle is being created.
Umuntu olala amile 2 hours.
Amile 2 hours, understand? The only hope umuntu abanayo iphela nini inyanga zothi 370 yami. And you have 370 per day, we want day tournament. Waqeda phuma naye mall seyiphelile. So more frustrated for I wasn't raising raise 20 rand. You see how to why I charge. When counting it, I'm a beneficiaries, I'm 370. Why I build this into like I'm a community center. Why I build my opportunities for my youngsters. You understand this each other one. Even the education system isn't young homeless. But you can't be telling me which even today, from 1976, since under 50 years, much. Celebrate June 16th uprising. What are we celebrating kahle? What asafundi Veskende, asafundi Maths, asafundi Engels, asafundi English. What have you achieved after that via education wise? You know you achieve. When we finish June 16th, it's a bittersweet moment to me. Abanye enjoy, abanye bakhumbula their lost heroes, both the unsung and the known heroes. We are tolerating, but really achieving, you understand? Because simple things like, man, why ngabe nama career expo unyaka mosaqala so kazi ukuthi at least sigara abantwana towards the right direction.
Even the level of sports in schools, man, public schools, man, is very poor.
You see uyambona umntwana ukuthi utalented yabona, but instead bazothi hey lo akakhuphe eclassini isidomo ngamara phela when it comes to music number 1, when it comes to kitchen number 1, when it comes to acting now why ungaboni potential through that. Why abantwana bethu sibaforce sibafunde in bangafundi in? Why abantwana bethu singamotivating into like siza ama career expo every time boqala unyaka kuba nama career expo yabona whereby yabona sikara abantwana bethu towards the right direction, understand? Even nama programs amasha yabona in terms of ama career yabona ukuthi yini esebenzayo lethi yini ku demand like umsebenzi wezandla, artificial intelligence, sporting, coding, nan. Siphokela amafoni every day. Imagine umntwana manje ngamphokela ifoni. Ngaba ngina problem nangambole ifoni for 2 days. Ubuzoyiphula uzoyilungisa. Why ngabe compulsory ukuthi masiphuma esikoleni umntwana abe ne license? Service delivery ngabantwana abana ama problem, ama challenges ama ID girl. But you find out yourself that you stuck iskela for 13 years or more. But mawuphuma futhi iskela futhi you are at large so uzoyenzani? Uporekile noma uporekile wezani uzulu ugcina manje sobenza manje sowela egroupini wrong enale demon leli kasathana because there's no way ukuthi ungugcina ungafika lapha because you're just dwelling around awazi wenzani, you understand? Bese ngaba sometimes umntwana uphasi kathi bese baba frustrated babatshela experience uyithatha from scale from scale wangabe nama intention programs
was
you see
that's a nice one. When I was talking to Uganda the other day, I was like, man, this thing is frustrating me. Like big actors will just die as actors.
Yeah.
With they don't have their stories that they produce. They don't own any production. Tell me, man, just take me through about that. Do you what is the problem? Because you Bobo and you are a brand.
Yeah.
And I think you can just shoot your own story and you can have your own production. Die as an actor and a producer. But a lot of actors in South Africa, they don't just do that. They just die as a legend. You're acting only and it's been getting paid somewhere. Why you don't just have your own production and shoot your own stories? Because I'm sure you have a story that is playing in your mind. You have people, characters, and you guys, you understand well the industry. Because if I take someone or Pumanje Aft, then those people, they just shooting because they started, but most of them is not something that has come from inside. Some, they don't want to tell the story just because they're from the rich families. Then they go to Aft and they come back, they tell Bobo. When they come back, they just tell Bobo, act this. And it's something that you don't understand. And
I think he probably much explaining out, especially as I'm actors akudala ne. It's this numbers game thing. You understand? But sometimes they tend to overlook a talent for somebody when an actor because when a huge following, then they'll prefer.
Because some actors, they from TikTok.
And sometimes even I'm a production I'm service now before. Now sometimes now some cast they're being told by Amazon channels with okay sharp that's just a niggas, but I told them maybe 5 or 10 actors and following or I'm an influencer because so actor influencer much.
Yeah,
so influencer so actor abantu numbers so ngivela robots as actor once so one sensation one time because I say I job for job opportunities for Tina so mangane kakhulu one so that is why right now I focus it right now is especially most mention a few people like about Mzansi Khumalo, the likes of Abu Chester and Nana one but if we don't get any roles but right now as we speak now movies are too much stagil. Understand? We've been pitching together ne top films as a cast like that we spend na futhi Mzansi Khumalo sticks now we did about movies I told already but as commissioned but now and again we feel like bafuna change izinto bafuna ukuthi iqale phansi movie and then when they bring their own crew you understand like there's so much politics nje engasisindawo you understand so manje that's why namanje I'm not that I'm losing interest but I just want to go back to the basics. Go back to development because ngiyabona lapha the competition ayikho too much ngapha yabona focus nje ukuthi udevelop ama artist amasha the future artist once nase uma gatekeeper lapho
so but you shot 2 movies and you guys are legends like got Dumsani, got Chester.
Yes.
So now the problem is like, no, we can't air them.
We can't air them because and sometimes when as your job is the one we're trying to like busy movement. One what is want a movement if we change a cars and stuff. So we started doing our films with our own from our own pockets and from equipment is now was to somebody in the camera in the mic in the sound understand well we even tried that but still it's not a problem for so I don't know what to take me so we understand how hard it is to run a production house if they don't commission sponsor it's not easy. So much. Mama out is pelu more risky for people.
Yeah, no, the right channel will come.
The right channel will come. But man, just focus on development, man. Developing new artists. You understand? Yeah. So I think.
What is the plan? Like you're gonna have an agent?
Yeah, maybe we might have an agent, but for now we're focusing on developing the cars because sometimes now you have done to full actor, but after National School of Arts and stuff. So that's where we come in, and help those kids. So much we just need with at least most of some few sponsors for in terms of and transportation. Because sometimes we lose numbers. lunchtime because they're coming from different backgrounds. Then when it's lunchtime, because of hunger
And they can't focus when you're hungry.
Only hunger, and then to abanye umuntu I who's in his captain is everything. So these things are destructive sometimes. But you're working on that. I'm not complaining. I'm just complaining about the system the way it's panning. But I think very soon is those of Akron or Clamby it is now what channels. I don't know. But I will get there.
Yeah.
My phone and I believe which one day you'll find it.
True, man.
And then once you put out everything out there to the universe, and you're telling her to respond. There's no way. I mean, I've proven that so many times. We couldn't prove it. The universe will respond if you can listen. And sometimes my places, I think it's culture in. Sometimes we don't have time to ourselves. We don't listen to ourselves. You understand? We don't have peace within ourselves. You understand? So that is why I mean, TV, radio, so same as uNkulunkulu. Makuqala respond ngekumuzo.
You have to put the noise.
Because now you've got so many things now emzimbeni wakho namakwali, unenzondo, nobuthakathi. Uyabona uloyi-one. You understand? Awuna peace with yourself. So uzoza kanjani abasarathi boqhamuka ngeke kwazi because singabantu distracted, you understand? But if you can teach, but if you can learn to listen to yourself, and even amaphupho man as there's a true dream state, you understand? Yeah, because we need peace within you. When you call out, the more peace to yourself, I
must find peace.
Yeah, sure.
My brother. No, man, what a great conversation, man. I love it, Kand. Hey, James, how do you feel about this conversation? We just like we get a new one.
Yeah, man, we really need such, conversations.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I didn't know your spiritual side, so I was concerned, man. But I was very well, and I'm glad that you.
But why you were concerned? You were concerned, no one.
Rumkani wami siyafonela. Rumkani wami yakufonela. Yo Christo. I have to be concerned, man. My brother, I have to be concerned. Yeah.
You're Christos, man.
Yeah, man.
So man, we're all spiritual beings at the end of the day. Yeah, as long as God's good collector. That's it.
You just have to block the noise.
Yeah, you have to block the noise, man. Have peace within yourself.
So do you think much? State okuzo, do you think ukuthi so uzitholile you found your purpose in life?
Yes.
So right.
Yeah.
So yazi uNkulunkulu ukulethele la emhlabeni.
Exactly, yabona futhi especially looking back at my journey, yabona izinto engisurvivile together nama blessings engiwatholile along the way, yabona. So mina I feel because I'm still here for a certain way, for a purpose, and uNkulunkulu ushithi kahle fulfill kahle le purpose le uNkulunkulu angithumele yona la emhlabeni. Hence
so I understand purpose yakho.
I think I understand manje, understand, because yabona at some point the mangiqala while sise active as a drug or as a junkie. I've learned so many things. I want at some point I want to lose izinto. I want idla cars and izinto is available. You me understand? At some point I feel umqondo ukuthi hayi man. Enhle kumina mazukhalela izinto zasemhlabeni angifikanga nazo izinto lesemhlabeni. What if uNkulunkulu kunezinto azama ukungishiftela zona? Mhlawumbe maybe kune danger kade sakayibona mhlawumbe ngilandelayo around mina. What if mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu azama ukungiqhelisa bekangisave angisusa from a certain situation angibeka kwenye situation, understand? Just like now, mina I thought I knew ama siblings wami until manje nje wasengibona almost every time. Khani ngibona manje ha kanuje yo ithi madoda lo ngicabanga ukuthi ulungile kanti bayashanga ngesimali seplastic lo ngicabanga ukuthi usiphethe kahle kanti yo lo at least ngingathola an opportunity to get to know better ifamily yami. I thought I know them, but if person umuntu nawufika nguvakasha once once a month ngihambe
you're gonna get the good side.
It is a good blessing to know them, both of their sides. So take out to Zagala. I thought I knew. if you will, especially my siblings, ngiyadlala.
So now you feel like you're close to them and you see everything, man. Yeah.
Yabona, so this why ngavela ngabona ukuthi maybe uNkulunkulu bekunezinto bekasishifta or nabantu bekangisefela bona or kunedanger bekangisusa kuyo yana.
Because ngabe mhlawumbe ufile.
Or mhlawumbe bekafuna ukukhuluma nami ngingamuzwa, so bekafuna ukubeka ku space la ngizomamela khona abanye pay attention. Because uNkulunkulu ngisafuna ukuthi pay attention bani. Athosenza ngakususa la uboshwe. Sometimes nje uchance nje umuntu kancane ungena esibhedlela kanti bakakusave visa from the west. Uthi ukwazi ukumamela kahle ngoba phela yazi umoya wani la khona ukumamela kahle khona uNkulunkulu. Andizomuzwa. Khona khona ukukhuluma khona kahle naye without any distractions and uzokuzwa. And uzorespond.
Sometimes we're too busy for God.
Yes, that's the thing. So mara makasafuna ukukhuluma nawe. uNkulunkulu bathi ikhona enye ivesi njalo eBhayibheli. uNkulunkulu makasafuna ukukhuluma nawe umamela uzokhipha esiqokweni akubeke esayidini. Athi awungimamele ngala akufake kulutuzana ku solitary confinement yakhe spiritual uthi awube nawe khohlela ama sounds lawo ngathi distract khumbula ukuthi ubani uyongithumeleni la emhlabeni ngathi manje awusayenzi into engithumelona noma sokhatha amakhona soshama sohamba ngama double up ngama passage and only to find out ukuthi loku round endaweni one. Because sometimes life is hard. Sometimes life will always take you back to where you should have started from. I said, kitchen, but most of the times I'm just cutting out. I'm going to busela back to that one. Like the when you peel up busela chatting, can't so realize the shit can't live on the second vessel crackle for hey, can't you realize it is a because Bunga goes born if we go figure G minus cut. Yeah, so many things by when speaker, ngilishule nyama ngilihle spiritual kakhulu. Yabona. Yabona over ilishule nyama yabona wasengibhekele ilishule spiritual ukuthi manje noma ngabe kwenzakala izinto ezibhedwe noma challenges in my life yabona ngiyazi overlook into this because I know ukuthi after yonke into lena kunete grand ezama. So what if ngithola ngingekho ready riding awuhlanye after those into ezibhayibheli ukuthi president ngenye opportunity futhi bese uyayiluza futhi because you are never ready again. Umsindo sinomsindo masingabantu sina peace.
Hey man, that's perfect.
Ukhuluma kanjani umuntu onomsindo? Wala athi ya manje sini man. How do you communicate nomuntu onjalo? Wena bese uthini hayi bese bara uNkulunkulu ulahlile uyabona nomsindo angithi. Athi awuthikele kancane mntana mopholo bese ya uNkulunkulu angalazi zo complain futhi. Kohle ukuthi umxoshile ngomsindo.
Ay.
Easy.
Yeah. Hey, man. Hey, we had a good one. We had a good one, man. Thank you so much, my brother, for coming through. I really appreciate it, man. Before we go, any advice that you can give to upcoming artists? I know we touch on spiritually and physically. How can you advise someone to be spiritually when you take this kind of career?
Yeah, sure. Sometimes I think the best thing, or first of all, when I'm in the industry, people need to learn the ropes. Understand? Because some people think the only way to get in the industry is to sleep your way up. Or sometimes I say industry patale or whatnot. No, it's not like that. I think this thing, it comes with hard work, perseverance, punctuality, preparation, prayer, what else? Yeah, and then which challenges are right. Which the best way to get in the industry is through management or agents, client. You understand? Somebody or professional, also represent. You understand? Until you feel what now you can do it on your own. You understand? But the best way and the safest way, channels are right through management or agent. You understand? And the agent amampela ngeke kubhadalisa imali up front nje for nothing. You understand? Unless banama programs like workshops, like workshops, trainer and everything. You understand? Yeah, maybe local kuyezwakala nyana but ama agents amampela you never paid a joining fee none. They want to be part of the agent. So when at least then utembela ebantwini I would rather have an agent. Yeah, so Yeah, and then to avoid ukuthi ufole yabona kuma evil forces and stuff is to avoid no ibona iqiniso ngawo zazi ukuthi ubani ibona iqiniso ngawo zazi ukuthi uphila ngawo ubani ngathi ngoba manje songena industry denza ukuthi sazotshintsha abangane or uzocabanga usubona ukuthi senza ngcono uzofuna ungena endaweni ezitop njani no it's not like that, understand, is to avoid. Because the more you avoid, why is avoid coming to at first? No matter what kanjani, why so snake into ukuthi ukhambe ebusuku is not good because anything can happen. But if you avoid, nothing will happen to you. It's to avoid.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Do you remember when I was starting this podcast?
Yeah.
Pramfisha with the one camera.
I remember. It's like Pramfisha actually. You're going in spoke. One cousin was Chris in the podcast. I want him, brother. But if you always, I'll come. Because I think into a young child of the program. The way you started, what's that like called? I wanted the passion. The vision, the passion we had.
Yeah.
That fire. You know,
I remember explaining to you.
And I think it was the first time we met, but we spent so much time.
Yeah.
And this girl was so passionate about this thing. I mean, passion, and I knew what you do is. And I knew what you want to do is already. No, Chris was I was so happy, bro. I was so happy.
I remember I had one camera here and talking this is daily hustle. Many years later we here. So I'm touching on that point.
What it shows, I think the term says Kulma, maybe you're putting it out there to the universe.
Yeah.
And it showed you how to respond. You see.
But all I'm saying is patient because it's years back, man. You gotta be patient in this thing.
Man.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, those days, I was plugging the camera and interview someone, and the camera can see. Hey, when I come back, bruh, the camera is shooting that side. I'm like, bruh. I said, I said, 20 minutes, dog. Like, yeah.
I'm covering
anything, dog. It goes to Chisto more because Shepherd time had a problem. So it is still more even that big. So Mutu Vedisombe Peda Maria Kulu. Who sticks engangumshutha ekayishutha le 20 tekho
manje nakusasena support you
engumshuthile usticks konisini acting James ngamshuthe sesihlahleni waphuma amagatsha kuphela umuntu akekho I come here, man. It's been a great show, man. All the best, man. I just wish, man, every production that is out there who are watching, man, I just want to tell them, don't tell them. I'm telling them because I know you're ready. Yeah, you're ready, man.
I'm ready. Always.
You're ready.
Always.
We must bring.
Forever be, man.
Yeah, we wish you, man, all the best on your career. We want to see you more now on the screen. That's what we're praying for now. We want to see you more on the screen, man. With this interview, after this interview, man, we want to see you on like screen. We want to see you on different episodes, different soapies, dramas, and everything. Telenovelas, man. It's time.
It's time, man. He hasn't telling you this is 2020 fight.
I think you're in a good spirit. Otherwise, say on camera and sound, I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. This is the Daily Hustle. There's no pambulu nyinga bambili sasa nonina ekako nina kamtamba. I'm doing the best show, and James knows. We're James.
We are.
Peace out.
Peace out.